welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be doing a stock analysis on WIX. Now, if you don't know what WIX is, it is a website builder which can help you build a website, and then their revenue model is they get subscriptions. And now, I have personally used WIX, and their website builder is amazing. And they have recently just used AI to help you build a better website, and it's also one of the reasons I'm looking at it today, because WIX is one of the market leaders in the website builders. Their only real competition, I think, is Squarespace, which is also quite a nice company. Now, if we take a look at the graph here for a while, you can see it has recently tanked off quite a bit. It was all the way up in 246, and the reason for the fall, I don't know. I have not been able to find that anywhere. I simply think maybe people thought it was too highly priced. And as you can see, we even have earnings here where they beat it by 4%, and then we have earnings here where they beat it by 21%. So I don't really see how it kept falling, but I guess people just think it's too overvalued. Now, maybe that, but also maybe because it is an Israeli company trading on the Nasdaq, but I won't get into that at all because I don't like politics. But as you can see, there is actually a support level here, which is where it has been stabilizing. As you can see, we have some top and some bottoms here. We have some tops here, and it bottomed right back out. And as you can see, then it started trading a bit more sideways. So I think it is stabilizing a bit. I think we need to see some more days to see how it flats out. But yesterday, well, that would be Friday, it was up 1.8%, and today it is up in 0.8% in the pre-market, which is quite nice. Now, the reason I like WIX is just because of their market share. They are simply so big on the market, and I personally love investing in bigger companies that have better market share that is going to increase slowly, rather than as many speculatives one. Of course, I also own small companies, but I think if you are a market leader, it's just simply better to get into that, because some companies can set up so hard market barriers that it's hard to get in. And by that I mean, chances are a different company getting into the market and being better than WIX and also Squarespace is quite small, because first of all, they are just so recognized in the website and building community, and also because they have so many customers, so chances are they are going to be better in the long run. Now the earnings, as you can see here, they are quite nice, beating it, as you can see here, beating it by 25%, then 23%, 4%, and 21% again. They do not pay dividends at all, but as you can see here, they didn't make that much money until 23, where they actually started making proper money, and I think it's just going to increase. Also because, as you can see in the quarters here, they only make money and their margins increase. And I think it's just because the model that a company like this uses is because they just need a large portfolio of customers, and then once it is up and running, I think it's going to be incredible. It's also one of the reasons I like WIX quite a lot. Now, if you look at some seasonals here, you can see all the way back from 2013. Some years it's quite nice. We actually see quite nice jumps up here, but for a tech company, it is actually incredible to see none of these is like 300%, as we do see sometimes in other tech companies that just get insanely high years where they just gain 300%. Now, we do see some years where they lose a bit, as you can see in 2025 already. We've already lost a fifth of the market value. I think personally it is going to rebound. I am considering buying it, but I do think we need to see a bit more better signals here from when it flattens out, because I don't know if it's going to fall even more, and if that happens, the next proper support line is all the way down here in 120, and I don't want to lose $50 on each stock bought. So I'm going to wait personally to see once they get a bit better signals. Now, if you take a look at the technicals for the day, it is a strong sell, but for the month, it is a buy. Now, that might make some of you think, why is that, given it has fallen the last month? But I think just simply because of the way it has actually been performing before that, it still have an effect on the oscillators and the moving averages. And I think this slowdown is also quite nice. I think it is going to trade sideways for quite a while before either gaining more or falling a bit. Now, the 1 year price target from the analyst is 249, and you can see there's quite a lot of analysts rating on WIX. As you can see here, we do have a single strong sell, but then we have 4 hold, 3 buy, and 18 strong buy. I think this is not unrealistic. This would mean it was almost back from at the top. It was actually be right back at the top. So yeah, it is quite reliable. I think over the years this is a nice stock to just have and just buy up in, because I think it's just gonna keep growing. As you can see, they're estimating it's just also increasing and increasing and increasing all the time. So yeah, I like the company a lot. Now, if you did like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe.